Hey there everybody, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike, and today we are going to put the Tusk luggage rack on the bike. Now I love the lean and mean look of this bike, but I gotta have some storage space. I like going motorcycle camping, I like carrying camera gear with me and stuff like that, so I actually like the look of luggage racks on motorcycles, so I think this one will suit the styling of the bike. So nothing crazy here, just putting the luggage rack on to add some extra utility. All right, let's get into it. All right, so it looks like you have the luggage rack part. Bolt spacers and things, and two, wow, that's beefy. Some serious weight to that. That's about it. Should be a pretty easy install. Let's get into it. Let's pop that seat off. The good thing about the Artec / Holy Moly kit is that this rear end here is actually 3 pieces versus 1 big piece. To make getting under the fairings pretty easy. So normally you'd have to undo all the bolts, take this big old fairing off, but now you can just take this back piece off and work from there. All right, so you got your long spacer and you got your bolts and washers. And I'm pretty sure it's just gonna go rack, washer, bolt. All right, now that that's in kind of loose-ish, rinse and repeat on the other side. So I just took the seat off to see if there were any clearance issues or screws coming too far into something, and it looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty great. All right, here's the plate out of the packaging. And quality feels really nice on this Tusk stuff. Really surprised. And for the price, kind of hard to beat. And next up, you got the screws coming through here. They're recessed. So you got the screws, and then you're gonna have a washer and a lock nut. So screws going through the plate, going through here, washer and a lock nut. All right, looking pretty great. I like how they engineered some play in here so you can get the exact fit that you need. All right, so it's gonna be a little fiddly here, so grab the right wrench and tighten it up. So it's a 4mm Allen on top, and then a 10mm wrench for the lock nut. All right, there we go. Just tighten everything up. Kind of loose fit there, and go for it. All right, so you don't need any Loctite or anything. The OEM mounts did not have Loctite on them. And also these are lock washers too. Don't need to go crazy on them. Just need to snug them down. All right, so the only thing left to do is just snug down your bolts and you're done. Gotta say, I am liking the profile of the bike with the luggage rack. I definitely think it adds a little bit to the bike. So it's definitely adding some functionality, but in my opinion, it's adding a little bit of style and utilitarian flair. Also, I gotta say, for the money, this is a pretty quality piece of kit for this bike. I mean, I think it was sub $100 when I bought it. Awesome. I like how there's a cutout here too. I know it wasn't designed for this, but you can actually see the Holy Moly and King Stickers logo through there. Nice little touch. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. It's Bert's Bike, and I'll catch you on the next one.